If you've ever taken a photo and then thought, okay, what now? This video is for you. I'm going to show you how to send a photo after you've taken a picture. Let's jump in. So from your phone, you're going to swipe up, open your camera, hit the camera app, and then you're going to take a picture. Whatever you're taking a picture of. In this situation, it'll be of me. Okay, so you took the picture. Where did it go? Right down here on the little bottom part here, there's a little circle. That's the last picture you took in this photo session. So from here, you press this little button, which is a square with a little arrow. You press that, and then it pops up here. So this tells you that you have a few different ways to send this picture, right? You can text it, so you just hit messages. You can email it, or you can airdrop it. So for the easiest possible thing, you just want to text it to somebody. You just hit messages, and then you type up here who it is you're texting it to. I'm just going to text it to myself. That's me. So then I hit send. That's it. I just sent the last picture I took. Now, maybe instead of texting it, you want to email it. You can do that too. Same button, you hit this little square with the arrow, and then you hit mail. Then you type to whoever, and then you hit the subject. Obviously where I put whoever is where you should put somebody's email address or name. Then you put your subject, whatever you want that to say, great picture of Chrissy, and then you hit send. That's it. AirDrop is where you send a photo directly from your camera, your phone, to somebody else's phone without it needing to go through a text message. It lands within their Photos app. That's something we can talk about another time, but it is the easiest and fastest way to send the highest quality picture. Okay, but now maybe you have been going about your day and you thought, hey, that was a great picture I took of myself earlier, and I want to send that to somebody. How do you get back to that picture now? Well, just open up your phone and then go to your Photos app. So I have it saved next to my camera, so I have camera, then Photos. I hit Photos. Now it's going to be on the bottom right. That's going to be the most recent photo that you took. So that's all I hit. And then you have the same button to press right here, the little square with the arrow. And then you're in the same situation. You can text it, airdrop it, or send it in email. The other option is maybe you want to send a picture from, a week ago. Look at this cute picture of my dog. Same thing, same little square with the arrow. Boom, text it, airdrop it, email it. That's it. It's as easy as that. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Tell me if there's something else you want to know about, or if I didn't explain something in a way that would be helpful for you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Leave a thumbs up and a comment, and I'll see you again next time.